Hey guys, welcome back to Andy's Dive Bar. Today we're in the Halloween spirit. But before we get into making more drinks, we're going to go ahead and take a little fan mail. Let's see who wrote us. Dear Andy, please make a drink that will calm my nerves while I chuck Tootsie Rolls at the degenerate children who live in my neighborhood. Pass out candy to the good little girls and boys who so richly deserve what's coming to them. Okay. P.S. Could you have one of your subscribers send over a pack of Marlboro Reds for me? I'm running a little low. She ends, hugs and kisses, Wendy from the burger joint. And she sent a picture. Well, keeping with the Halloween theme, we're going to go with something truly scary. As you know, Hurricane Melissa, a Category 5 hurricane, basically hammered through Jamaica. If that's not scary, I don't know what is. So we're going to go ahead and make a Captain Hurricane today. We need 3/4 ounce of Captain Morgan's spiced rum. And we need 3/4 of an ounce of silver rum. We need 1 ounce of orange juice. Well, bam! We need 2 ounces of passion fruit juice. There we go. Follow that up by 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of simple syrup. And 1 tablespoon of grenadine. Add ice. Pop the top on and shake. And we got ourselves a Halloween hurricane, courtesy of Captain Morgan. Cheers, guys. Dive Bar Andy was right. This is refreshing.
Trick or treat!
Trick or treat? I got a treat for you right here, you little degenerate. Happy Halloween, you knuckle draggers. Where's my Marlboros?